According to latest media reports, Hindustan Aeronautics and the Aeronautical Development Agency are working parallel on the development of the Tejas MK1B and the medium-weight fighter. The Indian Air Force Chief has confirmed that the contract for 83 Tejas MK1B fighter jets will be signed by the end of this year, and the Indian Air Force will procure 200 medium-weight fighter jets only if they are ready on time and meets its requirements. Top experts have raised concern that the transition from light combat category to medium category will be time-consuming, and any delays in the medium-weight fighter program might make the Air Force reconsider its support to the program. Top experts have also raised concern on the small development window, as the aircraft is expected to take its first flight by 2023 and enter production by 2028, and they are not impressed with the project timeline, since prototypes of AMCA is also expected to be flight-ready by then. Any delay in the medium-weight fighter program will give an advantage to Hindustan Aeronautics to offer an upgraded Tejas MK1B variant, and the medium-weight fighter might never materialize. Uzbekistan is one of the 85 countries selected by the Indian Defence Ministry, where the Indian defence attachés will try to boost military relations including defence exports. India is also set to carry out its first ever military exercise with Uzbekistan, that will strengthen military diplomacy in the Eurasian region. A 45-member contingent is taking part in a 10-day joint military exercise named Dostlik 2019 from 4th November, that will primarily focus on counter-operations, and the troops will train in heliborne operations and a number of tactical operations. The defense ministers of both the countries will also discuss defense cooperation in a separate bilateral meet between the two countries. The central government now has the authority to declare any area in the newly created Union territories as disturbed, under the Armed Forces Special Power Act, which gives sweeping powers to security forces to act against any suspect. For the Armed Forces Special Power Act to become valid, the area needs to be declared disturbed, either by the central or the state government. The Nuclear Power Corporation of India has admitted to a malware intrusion on one of the computers in KudanKulam plant, and authorities have assured the reactors are safe and are being monitored by experts. The Department of Atomic Energy has carried out investigations at the plant, and had revealed that the infected computer belonged to a user who was connected to the internet network for administrative purposes. India's growing influence in the Indo-Pacific has convinced the Association of Southeast Asian Nations that India's presence is needed in the proposed regional trade bloc. Ahead of Prime Minister Modi's East Asia Summit in Bangkok next week, the member states of the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership wants India to join the trade bloc as a power to balance China. The Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership aims to facilitate creation of the biggest free trade region in the world.